MedPrepG.
Hello future doctors, welcome to MedPrepG. I am Anisa Amin, currently pursuing MBBS at Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, ANU, Aligarh. I scored 645 out of 720 in NEET in my first attempt. Today I am going to discuss with you some important tips that you should know before in the last 40 to 50 days before NEET. So at this particular time you might be suffering, and मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ था, मैं भी ये चीज़ सफ़र की हूँ कि ये लास्ट 40 to 50 डेज़ में हमारे माइंड में बहुत सारे नेगेटिव थॉट्स आने लगते हैं, एंजाइटी और स्ट्रेस जो है वो बढ़ जाती है, थोड़ी सेल्फ डाउट होने लगता है, तो ये थॉट्स आते हैं हमारे अंदर। तो और इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, हम बहुत ज़्यादा कभी कभी सोचने लग जाते हैं, अपना टाइम उसमें वेस्ट कर देते हैं। अगर टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं देन बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी फील मोर गिल्टी एंड दैट गिव अस मोर स्ट्रेस। सो ये सबके साथ होता है, एंड द ओनली सोल्यूशन टू दिस इज लाइक यू शुड कीप योर सेल्फ एंगेज. You keep yourself so much engaged in productive activities, like if you are doing theory and you are getting through these thoughts, and do switch to questions, and if you are doing questions, switch to paper solving. Like keep yourself so much engaged, don't let those thoughts come inside you, because a proper mindset, a clear mindset is very important for a very productive preparation. तो उसके लिए आप क्या करो, अगर आप प्लीज़ किसी से बात करो, लाइक एनी वन इन योर फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स और टीचर जो आपसे क्लोज हो, हु अंडरस्टैंड्स यू एंड हु मोटिवेट्स यू, आप उनसे बात करो, अपनी प्रॉब्लम शेयर करो। ये नहीं कि आप अपने प्रॉब्लम को खुद के अंदर आप दबा के रखो। डोंट कीप योर प्रॉब्लम्स विद इनसाइड यू, यू शेयर विद समवन, इट विल हेल्प यू डेफिनेटली. And in the last moments, some students face this problem, like they are not able to maintain a proper timetable. They are confused, उन्हें समझ नहीं आता है कि वो क्या पढ़े क्या नहीं पढ़े. तो आपको अपना जो टाइम है अकॉर्डिंगली हर सब्जेक्ट को पूरे दिन में एटलीस्ट हर सब्जेक्ट को आपको थोड़ा टाइम देना ही है. लाइक यू कैन नॉट स्किप एनी सब्जेक्ट ईच डे, स्पेशली फिजिक्स नीड टू बी डन एवरी सिंगल डे. Okay, so you divide your time in the whole day, like properly giving some time according to your preparation, which is strong, give them a little less time, and which is a little weak, give it more time, and properly divide the time within all the three subjects. And with that also you should solve papers and give time to paper analysis also, because what happens, some students, like what they do, they solve three papers in a single day and don't revise at all, and some people what they do, the whole week they keep on revising and not solving the paper. So what you should do, आपको बैलेंस मेंटेन करना होगा, आपको पेपर सॉल्विंग एंड क्वेश्चन रिविजन में बैलेंस मेंटेन करना है. तो आई सजेस्ट कि आप एवरी डे सिंगल पेपर, एवरी डे आप एक पेपर जरूर सॉल्व करो. Okay, and another very important thing is that you should analyze your paper properly. Paper analysis is a very important to increase your score. And like after solving the paper, give time to paper analysis and try to analyze, observe each and every question which you did wrong or left very carefully, and try to analyze why you did it wrong, because of conceptual errors or memory loss, or like you did not recall the correct answer, or because of silly mistakes like you overlooked the questions, or you did not read the question or options properly, unit mistakes, or like any other mistakes. You observe it very keenly, and what you do is like you write all those questions in a notebook. आप एक notebook maintain करो, उसमें आप अपनी सारी गलतियाँ जो भी आप टेस्ट में दे रहे हो वो लिखते जाओ. Okay, and every day you keep revising that notebook every day. What will happen because of that, if you revise that same mistakes what you are doing every day, it will be like embedded in your memory. वो आपके दिमाग में घुस जाएगा कि हाँ मैं ये यहाँ गलती कर रही हूँ. तो आप जब नेक्स्ट टाइम पेपर सॉल्व करोगे, जब नेक्स्ट टाइम when you will solve the paper, you will be more cautious and you will not repeat that mistakes in the in further tests. So what will happen, by the time you reach the main NEET exam, you will eliminate many of your errors and you will become those error proof. So keep a record of your errors and keep revising it. Okay, and another very important thing is like which helped me a lot, and I'm sure, I guarantee you it will help you also a lot, is like just stop thinking about the result. Just stop thinking. Your main motive, your main focus now is to give your 100%, because these 40-45 days are the very important for you. So you just give your best, focus on your preparation, and I'll say that focus only on preparation rather than on the end result. If you focus on preparation, you'll automatically get the result. So just stop thinking about the result. And what many students do the mistakes in the last days is like don't go for a very complicated type of questions or any totally new topic which is totally new to you as you have not studied it, and don't go in depth with all those, because at this time which is very precious to you and you have a lot to revise. And NEET में 90% of the questions होते हैं वो NCERT से ही होते हैं या फिर NCERT based होते हैं और बेसिक्स क्वेश्चन होते हैं. तो you don't have to lose marks in that because of you waste your time like in going with the complicated stuff. So and if you are not able to understand this again, then again you get a little like you tense feeling that okay, I'm not able to get this. So I suggest you like this last moment is the time when you brush up your preparation. This time is to give the final touches to your preparation. So focus more on revision and making your weak points strong rather than going to very complicated or very new things. Okay, and wish you all the very best and hope you like this video. Let me know in the comment section. And one thing I would like to say, like aim for the stars, at least you can reach the tree top. And do subscribe the MedPrepG channel, and if you want to contact me, go to my YouTube channel, the link is given in the description, and I keep on uploading videos for NEET aspirants for tips, strategies and motivation. So do go to my channel and hope it will help you, and do subscribe it. Thank you.